What's up guys, it's Maple and I'm coming at you with another Unity tutorial. Today we're going to discuss how to add post-processing to your project and then use it to create a custom thumbnail for your avatar. First things first is you're going to want to have your project open. We're going to navigate up to the top toolbar and select Window. Come to the drop down and you'll find Package Manager. Might take a few seconds for things to load up, but once all the packages are here, you can go ahead and type in post into the search bar, and down here there'll be a nice little install button. Go ahead and click that, wait a few seconds, and the package will be installed. Close that out now, and we could right click in our hierarchy and we're going to click create empty, and for the sake of organization we'll rename it to post. Next step is we're going to click add component and then type in post into the search bar here, and we'll select post process volume. This is going to allow us to add post-processing to our scene. So first things first is we'll go up to layer, add a new layer, and call it post. Go back to our game object, check off is global, and make sure that we select the post layer. Next thing is you could add a profile, so we can create a new one, and then go down here and hit add effect. And for example, we'll add some color grading first. Then we need to be able to apply the post-processing to a camera. So we're in game view, we'll be able to see it. So we'll click camera here, and we're going to go to layer, select post again, and then add component, post process layer. It should already be on camera as the trigger, so you don't need to worry about that. Layer will also be post. All right, so now that we have everything saying post, and then post and global, all of our effects should start to have change in our game view. So we'll go ahead and see if this is changing, and it is. So that means your post-processing is working. And now you can go ahead and just continue to add all these different effects to your post-processing. You could add some bloom, change the intensity of that. So there's a bunch of different cool effects you can mess with. I already have my own post-processing settings that I use, and you could save them and then bring them into your other projects. All right, so now that we have our post-processing on, let's learn how to use it on the VRC cam when you go to upload it for a thumbnail. Alright, so we made it to the upload screen, and we're going to go ahead and copy the camera settings from our main camera onto our VRC cam that's used for the thumbnail. So we'll go back to the scene view for a second, go ahead and click on camera, find the post-processing layer that you just added, click the three little dots, copy component, back to the hierarchy, find VRC cam, click the three little dots, paste the component as new. It's important that you select this to change the trigger from camera to VRC cam. So now that we've done that, we go back to our game view, you can see the post-processing is being applied to the thumbnail. If you'd like, you could also add an animation to your model while you're still in the upload screen. That way you can customize how they look instead of T-posing. So we'll go ahead and find an animation we like, select it, and drop it on top of your model. Now that they're posing, you can change the field of view, you could change the Z-axis, the Y-axis, and I kind of like it right there. So I'll go ahead and just click upload. And that's it. That's how you add a post-processing filter to your VRChat thumbnails. Thanks for watching. See you guys.